Bob the Show, Bob the Show, Bob Show, Bob the Show, Bob the Show, Bob the Show, yeah.
And we're on. Mr. Adobe, are we on?
Yes, we are on. I just turned on the camera. So, Bob, do you want anything to say about yourself?
Yes. My name is Bob Smithersworth, and I'd like to announce that I'm going to be having my own show on Master of the Others YouTube channel called Bob the Show. Yes, starring me. Yes, me. Me. Screw that Master Adobe. He hates me.
No, I don't, Bob.
Yes, he does.
No, I don't.
Whatever. Okay, so anyway, hope you guys look forward for that video or show. Yes, I don't know why I say video. That's pretty much it. Oh, I forgot to say my name is Bob Smitherworth, if I didn't say so before. Yes, so, hope you guys look forward for that show. Yeah, so, hopefully you guys enjoy me as Mr. Others videos.
Look at that clear, people.
Get your head out, get your head out there. That's my show now.
Or whatever. Alright,
So, that's pretty much it. And, yeah, bye. Subscribe to Bob the Show.
no, subscribe to me.
Oh, whatever, get your head out,